Recently, these AI selfie videos of intimate photos with Hollywood superstars on movie sets have become incredibly viral. The method for making these videos is actually very simple. In this video, I will teach you step by step how to create these inherently viral selfie videos. First, we open Google and search for Gemini. Then, upload a selfie of yourself in the dialog box and enter this prompt. You can change the prompt based on your favorite movies and celebrities, and select the thinking model. Finally, click send and wait for the results to be generated. We need to repeat the above steps to generate a second image. Finally, save the two generated images for use in the subsequent video generation. Next, the second tool we will use is called Flow, which is also a video generation tool under Google. After opening the tool, we will upload the two images we just generated separately, the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Then, enter the prompt I have prepared for you, select the Veo 3.1 video generation model, and finally wait for the generation. Finally, let's take a look at the result. It is very natural and realistic. If you want to create longer videos, please repeat the steps mentioned in the video, create videos using different start and end frames, and then simply stitch them together. Alright, that's everything for this video. If you encounter any problems during the production process, feel free to leave a message in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, more hardcore AI tutorials are continuously being updated.